right there. Guys, Happy New Year. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Edward. On Instagram, I go by Trail Ready Forerunner. Alright, so if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I somehow snapped my shock on the rear driver's side. I actually bought these shocks a long time ago, maybe 5-6 years ago, but I never installed them. They were sitting at my parents' garage, and about 2 years ago I finally upgraded the rear springs and I threw these shocks on. So I've only been driving with them for 2 years when this happened. If you've gone trailing with me, then you already know I'm really cautious when it comes to off-roading my vehicle, just because it has always been my daily driver. I'm pretty sure the weld snapped a while ago, but I just never noticed it, because when it really did snap, I was coming out of a driveway out of my gym when I heard a loud pop and then a grind every time I would rotate my wheel, so I pulled over right away. Luckily, I wasn't going very fast, but when I got out and looked under the car, I noticed that it jammed itself in between the shock mount and my drum brake, and it also scratched up the inside of my rim. So I need my truck fixed right away. So luckily, 4-Wheel Parts had some Bilsteins in stock, so I went with a different route and I picked up long travel 2.5 to 4 inch 5100s. And I also got the 3-year warranty with them, just in case this happens again. With that being said, let's install this new suspension. Here's the old eyelid on the passenger side. Now check out this one. It's way bigger. Even the welds look bigger. Bushings are almost double the size. So I'm super happy with this new setup. I'll hopefully leave a link down below on where you can find these. I picked mine up at 4-Wheel Parts, but I'll see if I can find them on Amazon, and I'll put an affiliate link down below.
Six and a half hours later.
Is anybody else running the same combo as I am? If you're not, list the combination down below, so if somebody comes upon this video, they can see the combos of what you can do depending on what type of shock and spring you have. But that's all for this one, guys. If you liked the video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and thanks for watching. Peace.